Hello everyone, welcome to DigitalTech Educator. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe this channel for more videos and updates. Well, it has been really quite while since we have last discussed on features that are available in our Seesaw here. And today in this video we are going to explore on how to keep track of our students' activities submission using the Seesaw calendar here. We can find the Seesaw calendar here in our journal, and it is really helpful and super simple to use because the teachers and also the students can able to keep track of their activities so that they submit and complete all the activities that have been assigned in this Seesaw. So let's get in. If we check it out in a journal in a class, we are in a class now. We can find the journal and also the Seesaw calendar at the right corner in our journal. So let us check it out what it looks like, the Seesaw calendar. In the Seesaw calendar, we can find that for each date, we can see the number of items which have been submitted on that particular date. If you take a look at here, it has been, we can find the number of items under the dates. But over here, the 4th, 5th and 6th May, we are in a May. It shows blank because means there isn't any submission on that particular dates. So let us check it out on our 1st May here. It showed that there were 6 items which have been submitted on that particular date. So this is how the teacher keeps track of the students so that the students complete all the activities, so that there isn't any late submission. Sometimes the students may have forgotten the activities when too much of or too many activities which have been added up in their journal, in their activities list. These kind of mishaps like a late submission or forgotten may happen. So to avoid this, the Seesaw calendar really helps both teachers and students to keep track of their activities and assignments. So we will see you around in another wonderful video about Seesaw. Thanks for watching.